doesn't always mean a big leap. It starts with everyday choices.
Whoever does not show mercy to the earth, life will not show mercy to them.
Walk or cycle short distances instead of using vehicles. You'll stay fit while reducing your carbon footprint.
We need to act before it's too late. For a brighter tomorrow, don't hesitate. Let's reduce, reuse, recycle too. Make some change for me and you. Renewable energy, a path to take. A greener world, a future to make.
Act now, act together, and act for the planet.